Hi guys! The Health and Wellness Confex happened last January 26, 27, 28, 2024 at the SMX Convention Center in Pasay. It aims to promote the Philippines as the leader in Asia when it comes to medical tourism. The executive director is none other than Forever Young Miss Cory Quirino. There were so many brands gathered under one roof. Let's explore some of them.
Kaya makikita mo yun. Advocacy na tutulungan namin at natuto kami sa Korean Island. Luto pa lang, sa roasting pa lang. So kaya mo na siyang iba-ibahin ang lasa. Gusto mo ba siya may mapait? Gusto mo ba siya maasim? Or kumusta yung mas pa yung depende sa brewing method na gagamitin nyo. Kung gawin yung espresso, mas matapang yun. Ang Filipino Coffee Institute aims to establish innovative tourism product, attracting, making it potentially beneficial for weight to increase metabolism. So maraming nabubuo sa coffee. Isa siyang pang-invite na spread, ginagamit dito ng iba sa bulletproof coffee. Kung narinig nyo na.
Sa quality niya, great. Masasabi natin yan na pwede siyang presyohan siguro mga 10 to 15,000 per kilo. Ganun yung quality ng coffee na yan.
Sorry, ito po. Ay, sorry, pepper orange ulit. Paano na lang po?
I'd like to say
just another example.